Hey guys, welcome back to your Bass Lessons. So one of my subscribers came to my DM on WhatsApp and sent me this audio in an MP3 form. Okay, I don't know who played the actual bass line, but if you know, you can tag the person to this video. Okay, I believe it is not everything you might be able to learn. You can just pick one or two from this lesson. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so now let's begin with the breakdown. We'll be looking at the progression of the song and how they change the progression. So I'll play it for you and write the progression on the screen. Then I'll break the progression down for you. Then I'll break the bass line. I won't be playing any other bass line but what I played. Okay, so that you can also apply to this song progression or any song out there. One thing with playing song like this, you need to know where you're playing the root note, that is the progression, because where you play it, that is where you be playing the groove. So if you see, I have my 6th here, I have my 6th here, and I have my 6th here. So I started from the 6th here, because I know I'll be playing the groove there. Then to the 4, you see, and to the 2, and to the 5. It will be somehow confused to you, but if you are in a low level, just play 6 here, do re mi fa sol la, then 4, then 2, then 5. This will be easy for you, so that you'll be able to groove on that same note where you started. Okay, 6, then 4, then 2, then 5. I'll be grooving here. Then you can do 6, then 4, then 2, then 5. So now let me play the groove to that. Okay, let's go.
Everybody give the Lord your best praise.
So I played my way and I changed the other way. So my way was like this, 6. So this bass line is what you'll be using to the whole progression. 6, that is 3, 5, 6, 6. Then I'll be going to the 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 4. Then I'll be going to the 2, 2, 6, 1, 2, 2. Then I'll be going to the 5, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5. So where you can play, that'll be easy for you. 6, 4, the same 4. Then you come to the 2 here. Okay, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5. Why I'm teaching you this close progression is maybe some of you might not be fast in playing, then you might get confused or maybe hit a wrong note. So this progression is more closer. 6, 4, 2, 5. Okay, so that's the bass line to that progression. So now let's continue with the other progression and let's move on. So the main progression to this place was you are 6, then 4, then 2, then 5. But if you heard me on the second line going, I changed the progression, but it is also connected to the main progression. So if you have your 6, that's the first progression, then 4, then to the 2, to the 5. I am supposed to play the 6 again, but I didn't play the 6. I played the 4 sharp. After playing the 4 sharp, then I played the 2, then 4, then 5. Okay, now I'm supposed to play the 6. I am not supposed to play the 2, but I still remained on the 6. Then I went to the 4, then to the 5, then I did on the 4 sharp again. 4 sharp, 2, 4, 4, 5. So if in any song progression you get this progression 6, 2, 4, 5, you can just communicate with your people, your crew. Charlie, you can do it. You can also do it this way: 6, 6, 2. That's the main progression. 4, 4, 5. Then let's change it up: 4 sharp, 4 sharp, 2, 2. Then 4, 4, 5. Or let's stay on the 6. Sustain on the 6. Then you go to the 4. Then 4, 4. Then the last one. Then I'll teach you this one: 4, 3, 4, 3. So that is on the 4 sharp. That is like playing the 2 notes together. Okay. Okay. So 5, you slide to the 5. 5, 1, 2. Then you play your 4 sharp. Make sure that your 2 is still sounding. Okay. Then you play the 4 sharp. So now 2 notes play together. So then you now play a lick to the 2. Or you can just do it. So the first one was Re, that is 2, 1, 6, 5, 3, 2. Then you play the 1. Or you can do 2, 1, 6, 2. Then 4, then 4, 4, 3. Okay, so now let's move to the main. You are bigger than what people say. So that is the progression to that. You are bigger than what people say. It is just 6, 2, 4, 5. Then you can also change. You are bigger than what people say. Da 4. You see. So it depends. You need to let your crew know that this is happening, so that you know that you'll be playing the bass line and your people is playing a different chord progression. Okay. So now let me teach you the main bass line to this song. So the main thing is dun, 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 dun. And there are many ways you can play it. So I'm about to teach you. So you are 6. That's on the 6. You can play it here. 6, 5, 6, 6. Then the notes are, I'll teach you the notes, then I'll show you how to play it. That is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4. Then 4, 4. Then you're on the 5. That is 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 1, 6, 6, 6. Okay, so that then I'll be doing the tune on the higher note here. I think here is very sweet. So there's a difference from this one I just played to the first one. The first one I played 2, 2, 2, 2, mi, re, do. That is 3, 2, 1, 4. But this one I played 4, 4. Then 4, 4. Then you can play So now I've given you two places you can play in the 5. That's on the 6. Okay, so the second way was this one. Then now to the third place. You see, so you have your 2 here. If you have your 1 here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Just the way you played here. Okay. You can also learn this. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 7, 5, 6, then 6, 6. Now to the last place. The same 2, 2, 2, 2. You can do them more, okay, or you can do the 2 and 3, then 4, 4, then 5. You can also learn this 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 1, 6. So I've given you the main bass line and where you can play them. Okay. Okay, so that you won't get confused playing any of them. Then the other bass line, I was doing something like that. So I was doing something like okay, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, then 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then you can also do okay. So the last one. So you can learn this. So you're using techniques to this, okay? Slide to do, then you octave do, 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 la, 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 do, 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 la, la, okay. The same today. Me, re, re. Me, re, re. Re, me, re, re. To the re and fa. Just like that.